What up? What up? What up? Okay, we got this 02 Ford Focus, and we're doing I'm doing a tune-up, but you know I'm gonna replace the intake manifold gas while I'm at it, and these coil packs. So intake gasket. So I'm gonna just show you like the real quick, like you do this in less than 30 minutes. The whole thing. I mean, all data says it takes like 2 hours to do this. You know what I'm saying? Do this in 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you how. Boom, the front three are easy. 8mm bolts, right? Real easy. Just unplug them. Boom, real easy. The problem is the ones in the back. You gotta take the intake manifold off. Well, you don't have to take it off. You know what I'm saying? You can get it right here, just like that. See? That's enough room right there to go in and get those coil packs off and get your spark plugs out. You know what I'm saying? You're just gonna use this right here, or whatever, and then, you know, like this guy right here, your spark plug socket. So how do you get to this point? All right, you can replace your intake gasket too. All you're gonna do is just stick them right up in here, pull them out with a pick, stick them right there. You know what I'm saying? I'm just bungee cord to the wiper arm. All right, so to get to this point right here, all right, let me show you how this is set up here. You got two 8mm bolts here holding your throttle cable. You got another 8mm bolt right here. To take this off, you got a little hook right here. You're just gonna push that down. That just slides on there. Just take that off. This right here is inside here. It's gonna be wrapped around. So you're just gonna pull the cable from around and then pull it straight out. Just pull, you gotta get it lined up with that little line right there, and then you can pull this out. Set that over to the side, some out the way. Just gonna set it like that. You got two 10mm bolts holding your EGR valve. There's two 10mm bolts right here. There's a gasket. Try not to drop that gasket. You just gotta take those out, unplug this. You got an 8mm bolt right here. That's it. And then take your 8mm bolts out your intake manifold. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Less than 30 minutes. Boom. You ready to take this off. It's gonna come up. All you gotta do, you probably ain't even gotta loosen this up. You could probably leave this on. Only thing you gotta take off is get the throttle cable bracket out the way. Take these two 10mm bolts here. Get these 8s out of the intake manifold. And boom, you ain't got to take off all that crap on the back. You ain't got to take off this, all these tubes. You know what I'm saying? If you're just doing a tune-up in the gasket, that's all you got to do. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to do all that extra stuff. So this is an 02 Ford Escape V6 tune-up. Less than 30 minutes on that V6. Peace. I'm just going to show you, you know what I'm saying? This is how I'm doing it. Right here, got my spark plug socket. You know what I'm saying? I'm just pushing up with my arm like this. You know, bam. Bam. That's it. You got plenty of room. Plenty of room. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to finish taking it out. I'm going to ratchet. So, see? Boom, spark plug socket. And then, you got plenty of room though. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take off all that crap on the back. Stop watching all these other cats. They be having y'all doing all this extra work. You know what I'm saying? You need to subscribe to the videos. Peace.